Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. Happy Easter. Happy Easter Sunday. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I am going to be taking my free time to do a video of my Lasko WeatherSheild box fan. And it just so turns out that this has come to another unfortunate accident, or should I say mishap, with another box fan. And as you can see, the handle is missing. And I do not know what has become of the handle. It is shattered beyond to the point of repair. So if I had known any better, it might have been thrown away. There was not really much of anything that I could do with it. So, and I wasn't the least bit surprised with this being a 14-year-old box fan, and seen other collectors who have had this same issue uh, with this particular fan. The handle was yellowed. It was brittle, so it was bound to happen sooner or later. So, and what I have here is this old carrying handle that came off of my mother's printer box. So this is what I will be replacing it with, and I'm absolutely certain that this is going to work. And I'm certain that it should. So hopefully this should be a little tip to those of you who may have a Lasko WeatherSheild or just any other box fan with a plastic handle. However, that this will be some of help to you. So basically, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a video of me taking the fan apart and putting the carrying handle on, and that'll be my little repair video of today. And I was a little disappointed because this was a Christmas present. Uh, this was the very first WeatherSheild box fan having in my possession. It's a really nice fan. It works well. It's a really cool looking fan. So I'm gonna use my instincts and my skill and make this fan happy again. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is of course I'm gonna get the front grill removed. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, there we go. maybe I can do this without having to remove the blade. So here's the carrying handle. It's basically just wedged into this little thin piece here. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm basically just gonna remove the handle like this. It just comes out like that. And I'm just gonna put it underneath. And I'm just gonna very carefully try to wedge the handle to the fan here. See if I can do this without wrecking the handle. Okay, so hopefully it should be easier to see everything out. Doesn't seem like that. It's just gonna go in easy. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm just gonna take and file over this edge just a little bit, enough to where I can get it in through the slot here. So I guess this is what I'm gonna do. See if I can find something to sort of cut this back a little bit. So let me try to file out these corners and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. I finally have the handle very carefully installed on the fan here. I did have to do some work. Basically, all I did is that I just filed down the one end of the handle here to get it in through the holes there. Doesn't necessarily. I don't think that I'll necessarily will be needing this. I mean, from the looks of it, I guess that's efficient enough. I mean, it's nice and sturdy, and I really don't see that coming out. Not until it starts to brittle up within the next 25 or 30 years or so. So I think that looks pretty cool. If anything else, I think it kind of brings back that old look to these old Galaxy and Lasko box fans. So, well, I guess let me go ahead and throw this thing back together, and I think that'll pretty much do it for this video. Okay, everybody, there it is. Now I have the fan put back together, and from the looks of it now, it looks like I'm going to have to keep an eye on the snob here, because it looks like it's broke there from where it goes over the switch here, but it's still functional. So if this breaks, then oh well, it is what it is. Hopefully I'll find a replacement for it, but for now, I think that'll do just fine. Well, there you have it, everybody. There is a quick repair of my Lasko WeatherSheild box fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed this repair. Hopefully this will be some help to some of you. If any of you have any boxes laying around that have these carrying handles on them, these will be a simple solution for situations like this. So, well, that'll be it for today. Hope that you all have enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you later, and enjoy the rest of your Easter day, and bye-bye.